So have you heard of Balsam Hill? So there's no denying it, Christmas trees have gotten very expensive year after year. I actually looked at the price at Home Depot for the same size tree that I have right now. It's $139 on sale. I think it ran for $199 regular price. That's just crazy. And just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. Now in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different where I'm going to be showing you how I set up my Balsam Hill tree and give you a little insight of what these trees look like. And I'll also show you how I decorated it and you'll get to see it at the end. For anyone interested, I did leave a link for my specific tree in the description box below, so make sure you take a look at that as well. And without any further ado, let's get started. Our journey today starts in the living room where I will begin setting up the base of the Christmas tree, which comes neatly packed in this cute little storage bag. One of the things that I love about this tree is that the pieces come labeled by section, which makes it incredibly easy to assemble. We selected a tree that was pre-lit, and this feature is my favorite. You just pop open this little flap, grab the next section, and make sure to remove the protective cap it comes with, then connect the two pieces together. That's it. Section 1 is now able to power the lights in Section 2. And whether faux or real, the little tree branches and bristles can make your skin itchy. But friends, Balsam Hill has you covered with these little gray gloves that they include in the bag with your tree stand. One small and one larger pair came in the bag, and I have to give kudos to Balsam Hill for thinking of these little details. Thank you! Now, I don't know about you, but this tree looks pretty real to me. Balsam Hill accomplishes this look with their 100% exclusive true needle foliage. And there honestly hasn't been a year where I haven't been asked which tree tent I've purchased my tree from, especially when I add the scent sticks to it. Now, full disclosure, I am not a professional tree decorator. I just enjoyed decorating our Christmas tree and really wanted to share this tree and experience with you in hopes of spreading a little more holiday spirit and cheer. I know many of us are still so overwhelmed with our demanding jobs, but if I can recommend anything at this time, it's to slow down for a moment and take a deep breath. You are the most important priority, and without you, there isn't anything else. So here are some of our silly and favorite ornaments that we put up every year. Do you have any favorites? I also enjoy adding a ribbon trim to our tree, and for the last 2 years I've used this neutral color wired burlap ribbon along with a red and black wired buffalo check ribbon. And these were made by a very special person in my family's life and were gifted to the pilot in my life. If you're an aviation enthusiast, drop a comment below naming the parts used to make the first 4 planes. I'm curious to see how many of you are out there. And of course, we can't forget this one. I considered making one for this year, but I thought instead I'd just leave that with 2020. Now, I absolutely love putting pine cones in our Christmas tree because I think it makes it look even more natural. Oh, and you can't forget the topper. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up. And for more DIY inspiration, take a look at this video right over here. I'm Ellie Lee with Ellie Lee Designs, and until the next one, bye.